myself Manjula Hattani, HOD of Computer Department. Today we shall study about this third chapter practicals, that is event handling, practical number 10. In this practical we will see that the event handling on key press. So write a program to demonstrate the status of key on an applet window such as key press, key release, key up and down. Practical significance: a key event is generated when keyboard input occurs. When key is pressed, released or typed, key event is generated. Students will able to understand the method to register an object and handle various key of keyboards. So, relevant program outcomes, these are common to all the practicals: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork and communication. Competency and practical skills. Using these practical, students will able to generate the events also. They are able to convert also. They are able to implement various methods for appropriate listener class and write and execute the programs accordingly. Relevant course outcomes: handle events of AWT and swing components, develop programs to handle the events in Java programming. Practical outcome: write a program to demonstrate the status of key on the applet window such as key press, key release, key up and down. Relevant affective domain related outcomes: follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background for this practical is: when a keyboard input is occurred, key event is generated. There are mainly three types of key events that are recognized by integer constants: key press, key release and key type. When key is pressed or released, first two key events are generated. When character is pressed, the last event occurs. All keys do not generate the characters. Example: shift key. Is it clear? So all the keys, the keyboard is having enter key, shift key. So these keys are not generated the characters. Key input key event is a superclass of key event. The class which processes the key event should implement key listener interface. The object of that class must be registered with a component. The object can be registered using this add key listener. The methods in the key listener are key press, key event parameter, key release, key event when key is being released, key type, key event as a parameter invoked when key has been typed. So these are the three important methods you should implement when you are using this key listener. And resources using for these practicals is operating system and NetBeans. So we'll see the programming. Write a program to generate the key event when keyboard is pressed and displayed key press message. So for this we'll see the programming concept. So I already written the programs. We'll see the output. I already run the programs, you know. So when I'm typing something, see it: key typed, key release and key press. So all these events will be happening. So we'll see the programming. So practical public class name extends frame implements key listener. So in the constructor we are creating this label and text area. We are for the location of the components using this set bonds method. We are using the set bonds. We are assigning the locations, and when you are pressing on this text area, the event should be happen. See here: typed, press, release. So this one. So when you are typing on this area, text area, the event should be happen. That's why you have to add the listener to the text area. Which is the object of the listener? Which is the object of the text area? So area equal new text area. So you have to add the listener to this area, and after that you have to set. See here, then here implemented the three methods you should implement. So public void press key event as a parameter, L dot set text. So label initially it is blank, when key press it is coming. When release, set text key release. When type, key type. Is it clear? So this is what about the practical number 10. So typed, release and then press. When you are pressing, press. Is it clear? So this is what about this one.